Hello, everybody. This is Paul from Off Grid Desert Farming with Paul and Adrian. This is January the 28th, and 2023. We have an emergency alert for you tonight, folks. I just found out about this a few minutes ago. We were watching a movie, but apparently Iran right now is under a massive military attack from Israel. Israel right now is attacking Iran. Multiple targets have been hit all across the country. Military and industrial bases have been blown up. Office buildings, government buildings have been blown up by Israeli military drones. This attack is ongoing right now. We're going to be covering all this information live right now, folks. This is very, very serious that Israel and the United States has just concluded, or they're still doing it, the largest military cooperation military drill in the history of Israel. The last couple days, the United States military and Israel have been conducting military drills against attacking Iran, folks, and this will escalate very quickly because Iran is going to respond to this massive attack from Israel. I repeat, this is an emergency alert. We have confirmation all over Twitter right now, over 2,000 tweets coming in that Iran right now is under attack from Israel, Israeli drones. And if Iran responds, folks, if Iran responds with ballistic missiles against Israel, then we have another target. We have another situation developing right now. So let's go ahead and go to Twitter and see what is exactly happening on Twitter right now. So this is breaking news right now. We're looking at Twitter. Breaking: multiple drone strikes target factories in Iran. Reports that drones came from an Israeli airbase in Azerbaijan. No doubt this will escalate. Russia will have to side with a war against Israel. So let me go ahead and blow this up right now. So let's replay it. This is one of the attacks right now from drone strikes, folks. This is the first right now because Israel has not really attacked Iran in a very, very long time, but there has been multiple bombs going off in Iran the last couple hours. Let's look at some more videos. That's just one video, and here is Lloyd Austin. Let me go ahead and play you what Lloyd Austin has warned Iran. Now, what has been happening is that Iran has been supplying Russia with some of their drones. Some of their drones are coming in from Iran, and the United States and Israel, it looks like they're going to go ahead and attack Iran right now, folks. So we've been warning against this for a long time, that once World War III gets going full blast, we're going to have Iran and Israel. We're going to have North Korea, South Korea, China and Taiwan, Russia and Ukraine, NATO all getting involved in this war. That is exactly, looks like what is happening right now on the ground. So let me go ahead and play you this very, very short video of Lloyd Austin telling or warning Iran what's going to happen to them with their continuing help with Russia. So let me get this back on the screen, and I'm going to mute my mic here and play this video.
The issue of Iranian support to Russia, we would advise Iran to not do that. We think it's a really, really bad idea, and I'll leave that at that. On the issue of Iranian support to Russia, we would advise Iran to not do that. We think it's a really, really bad idea, and I'll leave that at that. On the issue of Iranian